We were sent this stretch strap here. This thing is really nice. It gives you so many options to be able to stretch out after a good workout or even before a good workout. So all the different settings here has the different numbers on it that correspond to different settings that you want to be able to go. And it comes with this nice waterproof instruction sheet. So it can stay inside the little bag that it comes with, and you get everything you need to be able to have a nice stretch. Now I'm out here outside right now, and it's really nice to be able to bring this here by the pool. You don't have to worry about it getting wet because it's waterproof. This strap here, you can do it with shoes or without shoes. I definitely recommend doing it without shoes. You're gonna get a much better performance, and the strap is gonna fit around your foot a lot better than what it would if it was going around shoes. So I just got off a long bike ride, so I need to stretch anyways. And I'm just gonna select here, go through. I put the strap about halfway. And what it does is you put your hands in here, really grab it. This is padded, so it feels very comfortable. You're not having to worry about a strapping material rubbing against your skin, but then you'll just bring it up. Just go through, put your arms up, so you can go really deep into the stretch. And then if you wanted to do 2 feet, you can put 2 feet in there. And just, it really helps with your mobility, so that if you're working on being able to stretch, to be able to touch your toes, this just gives you that extra advantage so that you can get a deep stretch if you don't have maximum flexibility already. So many variety of stretches that you can do with this strap, and it is so versatile and light that you can take it with you on vacation so that you can always have your stretching wherever you need it to be. I really like this product. I know you will as well.